Hey, it's Ben here. This just came out from the US Department of the Treasury, and I want to share it to you as soon as possible so you don't miss out and that you can get your stimulus check faster. And this is for those who filed their tax return for 2018 or 19 but didn't fill in their bank information because they forgot or that they owe money or they didn't do it for some other reason. So, I'm going to go to the website to show you what's going on and what's going to happen. Now, the IRS is rolling out a Get My Payment web application next week, so you can then submit your direct deposit information. And once you do, you'll get your $1,200 straight to your bank account. Instead of waiting for a physical check in the mail, all you have to do is fill out the basic information and a few tax and banking information, and then you'll be done. I'll provide a link below so you can check out the article to know about it if my rough summary wasn't good enough. And make sure to follow up on the irs.gov website to see when the application is up and running. I feel like the app might crash if everyone's trying to get on it at once, but who knows? They probably already taken that into consideration when building it. Also, just a quick update, the first batch of stimulus check have already gone out. People are already getting it, but I don't imagine them spending it anytime soon unless it's for basic essentials. But anyways, be safe and hope you all get the check sooner. Subscribe if you want, and I'll catch you all later.